The biggest obstacle you will face when telling people about ITP is that it is a scam, because it is hard to wrap your head around a system that delivers consistent income that can replace your 9 to 5 and only takes you 5 minutes a day. So, I am going to address some of these concerns today, but first, here are some examples of the money people have made and continue to make just by completing their 5 clicks a day. What I tend to do is explain how the app works and why it cannot be compared to a Ponzi scheme. First, why is it not a Ponzi scheme? Number one is you never have to invite anyone to the platform in order to make money. The most amount you can make on level 1 for 5 minutes of your time a day is capped at $500 a day, which is $15,000 a month. This is because at level 1, you are capped at $20,000 at 2.5%. Secondly, a Ponzi scheme has a limited pot of money that relies on the contributions of lower members to deposit money in order for the people higher up to make a return. This is not the case with ITP. Every single member of ITP can attest to the fact that they have made back more than they have put in. Also, after 30 days you are risk-free, and you can recoup your money and then let your free money grow and compound over time. The time it takes for your money to compound and double is 1 month. So for example, if you have deposited $100 after 1 month, you will have made $100 which you can withdraw, and you leave $100 in ITP. Now, you have made your money back and are investing completely risk-free. In addition, a Ponzi scheme has a finite pot where all the lower members will always make less money than whoever is above them. The newest members of ITP can testify to the fact that they are making and withdrawing thousands daily despite being on the platform for only a couple of months. ITP members who have invited others to the platform will only ever make a 12% commission. In a Ponzi scheme, this would not be the case, as the people above would be able to take however much from the finite pot of money deposited by the people below them. In other words, new members would have their pockets emptied by the higher-ups. Likewise, every single member has been able to make all of their money back and withdrawn more than they have put in after 30 days, which is a very short space of time, making it impossible for everybody to be withdrawing from the same pot of finite income. Let's quickly look at how every member has been able to make their money back in 30 days using this table. The simple rule of what compound interest is that you are always making a return on your total investment so far, not the money you originally invested. So if you invested $100, after 1 day, you will have made $2.5 in interest, and your investment value has reached $102.5. Now your total investment value is $102.5. 2.5% of $102.50 is $2.56, and now your total investment value after day 2 is $105.06, and you have made $5.06 after 2 days of investing. Simple interest, on the other hand, would mean you will only ever be making an investment return from $100 no matter how much time has passed. Unlike ITP's daily interest, banks are more likely to give you a weekly or monthly simple interest rate instead, which is why you are lucky to have made $60 interest after 1 year. Lastly, there is a difference between a Ponzi scheme, network marketing, and multi-level marketing. Multi-level marketing is a legitimate business model where existing members are encouraged to promote the organization. There is virtually no business out there that does not encourage sales by promoting products or services through its members. When the people that are brought into the organization make more money than those who brought them in, this falls well outside of the scope of a pyramid or a Ponzi scheme. This is legal, ethical, and depends entirely on the individual's work ethic to determine how much they earn. This has been made possible because artificial intelligence and cryptocurrency, the two world-changing technologies, has been brought together to create ITP. You can offer to deposit $100 to help someone get started if they are hard on cash because you know you will make this money back. Neither does the person who you helped ever have to deposit any of their own money because their money grows over time. Ponzi schemes pressure you to deposit as much of your own money as possible in order to gain even a small return, but this is not the case for the ITP app. So, how does the app work? ITP is a free app you can download on Android or iOS. You can also use any web browser like Chrome or Safari to create or log into your account. All you need to sign up is your number, an invitation code, and password. Some might hear this and think, how is this secure? Well, you are asked to create a strong password, a transaction password, and two-factor authentication if you want to withdraw from the application. This same layer of security is done on the exchanges you use before you withdraw to your bank. If you want to learn more about how to deposit and withdraw, click the link in the top right corner for steps on how to complete this task. ITP uses USDT, also known as Tether, to complete each trade. It is a stable coin that does not fluctuate with the market. As you know, most cryptocurrencies are extremely volatile, making them extremely unreliable. Tether, on the other hand, is a coin that always has the same value as the US dollar. This means that 1 USDT will always be equal to 1 US dollar. This makes it a stable currency. The AI then searches the market to buy at a higher price in one exchange, such as Binance, and sells it for a lower price at another exchange like Coinbase. This is traditionally known as quantitative trading, which has until now been done manually. As most traders know, this process would take particularly a lot longer than with the use of AI, which has made this possible. The minimum you are required to have in order for your account to remain active so you can start trading is $100. To make a deposit, click the link here for how to deposit into the ITP app. Within 30 days, you will have made this amount back. You have a free withdrawal every 21 days, but any other time will incur a fee. However, by day 30, you will have your free withdrawal available and will have made your money back. By then, you will have recouped your initial investment and will be risk-free. Like I said before, this is how your money will compound. After 30 days, if you want more detailed information about how the system works, you can go on the app, and on the homepage, you will find lots of information about how it operates. If you click on the envelope in the top right corner, you will be invited to join a group depending on the country you are in, where you can get help with using the app as efficiently as possible. Lots of people are doing their daily clicks and withdrawing money. As long as they are making money, they don't concern themselves with the details, especially if they are not inviting people to the platform. But if you want to help your family and friends to make a little extra income every month, it's good to familiarize yourself with what quantitative trading is. Keep the explanation simple. Quantitative trading with the use of AI is the process of searching the market for cryptocurrencies at a lower price and selling it at another exchange in the market for a higher price. This means that you are always making a return on your total asset value, or quantifiable amount, and not the amount you started with originally. As your pot grows, so do your daily returns because the money is always compounding, so long as you complete your 5 clicks a day. After you put $100 in their account for them, or they do it themselves, they never have to put in more money, because eventually the money grows to $200 in a month, $300, $500, etc., etc. Most people's fear lies in losing money, but with the app, you become risk-free in 30 days. With quantitative trading, the money grows exponentially, so you don't have to invest more than $100 in order to make a return on your investment in a short space of time. If you are interested in the app, click the link in the description and comment below for any questions which I can answer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next time.